going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Alxr, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own sneaker shields for your sneakers. I've got them in the sneaker right here. As you can see like the red thing, that's a sneaker shield. I do have like an actual sneaker shield, but it's broke, so it's not really shielding anything. Like, I had to use tape to tape it up, so it doesn't work. So I was like, let me go ahead and try and make my own, and it worked. Like, you can see the sneaker shield is in there. Like, they barely can barely crease. I'm going to show you a wear test after I show you how to make them, so make sure you stay tuned. But yeah, I'm just going to show you how you can make them from using stuff from around your house. Before I get into it though, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell too, so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Now let's just get straight into the video. So to make your own sneaker shield, you're going to need to use a piece of paper, a pen, a plastic cover folder, anything thin and plastic and can be cut will do, a pair of scissors, and you're also going to need the shoes that you're going to be making the sneaker shields for. In this case, I'm using a white pair of Nike Air Force 1 lows. Getting straight into it, the first thing you're going to want to do is put your piece of paper over the top of the front of the shoe. Take your pen and draw around the toe box. Use the top of the soles as a guideline and just draw along it, going all the way around. Whilst you do this, you want to make sure that the piece of paper is flat. You don't want it to get all like creased up and stuff, because this is a stencil that we're going to be laying on top of the plastic later on, so you want to make sure that it's as like even and as accurate as possible. Then, once you've drawn around the toe box, you want to go ahead and just cut that shape out of the paper. Once you've done that, you want to lay the cutout on the front of the shoe. This time though, we're going to be making a little like cutout on the very top where the AF1 tag is. We're going to do this so that the sneaker shield can crease and just sit a lot more comfortably on the inside of the shoes when you wear them. So once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just cut it out. Now the stencil's cut out and it's completely done, you want to lay it on top of the plastic and just start cutting around it. I would recommend using like a textbook or like a folder. Cardboard wouldn't work at all, so like if you're like trying to use like a cardboard box or whatever, or like a cereal box, it won't work because like your shoes get hot and stuff, which means the cardboard's going to get hot and then it'll just become like soft and it won't have like the same effect that like a piece of plastic will have. If you use plastic, the sneaker shield won't lose its shape. It won't mind getting hot either. It's just like much more easier to use plastic because it's going to last a lot longer than a piece of cardboard would, because the cardboard will get affected if you wear them all day because your shoes get hot, which means the piece of cardboard's also going to get hot. But if you use plastic, you're going to be fine because the plastic's not going to get hot and melt like a piece of cardboard would. Once you've done that, once the sneaker shield is completely done, you want to go ahead, test it and just push it into the front of the shoe. To do this, you want to make sure that the sneaker shield is basically touching the top of the inside of the shoe and is at the very front of the shoe to get the best results. And then you're completely done. As you can see, the shoes are not creasing like whatsoever. Like, you can see the pressure I'm putting on. Like, they're just like, nah, like, we got a sneaker shield, we're chilling, we're not going anywhere, we're not going to crease. They look good now. Like, you feel me? Like, look, they're just not like creasing whatsoever. So that is how to make your own sneaker shields at home. Now I'm going to show you what they look like on feet and do a quick little wear test as well. So I'm going to do a wear test now. The right shoe has the sneaker shield in. As you can see, that red thing on the inside of the shoe, that's the sneaker shield. So the right shoe has the sneaker shield in and the left shoe doesn't, as you can see. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them on and just show you like the difference that it makes having the sneaker shield in. I put the left shoe on and put the right shoe on. So I'm going to do a wear test. This is for educational purposes only. I don't want to crease them at all, but like I do want to show you that like it actually works. Like the homemade sneaker shields do work. So the left shoe doesn't have the sneaker shield in, and the right shoe does. If I show you the left shoe, if I crease them, oh my gosh. Okay, I don't want to crease them, but it's for the video. So like, as you can see, like they crease up badly because like there's no sneaker shield in there. If I show you with the right shoe now with the sneaker shield, look at that. Like my foot's literally coming out of the shoe. It creases a little bit, but obviously it's not, I don't want to crease the other one too much, but it's nothing compared to those creases there. See what I mean? It does work really, really, really well. The thing is as well, is that you can barely feel the sneaker shield in your shoe. Like as I'm like moving my foot around and stuff, you can barely feel that it's there because the plastic's so thin. So it's not uncomfortable either. And my feet don't feel too hot, although I barely had them on for like not a long time at all. But like, you know, they don't feel hot. And I reckon if the sneaker shields do get a little bit too hot for you, you could probably poke holes through the plastic bit. Maybe that would work. But yeah, as you can see, the sneaker shields do work. The left shoe creased, the right shoe creased, but barely, barely at all. Compared to the left shoe that didn't have the sneaker shield in, it barely creased. So yeah, that was a wear test on the sneaker shields, the homemade sneaker shields. So that was how to make your own sneaker shields at home using just like stuff you can find from around your house, and they work pretty well, as you saw in like the little like wear test. I really didn't want to like crease them or whatever, so like my bad is you're like, bro, like did he really crease his Air Force? I'm like, yeah, but like I really didn't want to. I just wanted to show you like how like it can work really well. Like this one has his sneaker shield in, and it works. Like it's barely creasing around the toe box, so they do work pretty well. If you do this method, if you do like make your own, make sure to let me know in the comments how it works for you. I know a lot of people use like cardboard, so they'll use these and like cut around them and stuff. I used to do that, but like when your feet get hot, it kind of makes the cardboard soft, and then it doesn't really do what it's supposed to do. Because the plastic is hard, it means that like it's putting pressure on the shoe around the toe box. So like because like the plastic is going from like the side to the other side, it's putting pressure on like on either side, so it means that the shoe can't like bend as easy as it usually would. That's how like it kind of works. So using cardboard can work for like the first like few minutes, and then the cardboard will just get like soft because like your feet get hot and stuff in your shoes, and then it won't work. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend using plastic, and if it works for you, let me know in the comment section below. Today's comment shout out goes to Little Chaos. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. We're like super close to 5,000 subscribers, like crazy close. So if you are new to my channel and you aren't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below for more videos from me. Also turn on the bell too, so you can find every single time I upload a brand new video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it.